Simple sequence, deep hip opening. First begin by coming into your bridge pose, interlacing your fingers, drawing your shoulders towards each other, pressing into your feet, lifting your hips, engaging your quads, and drawing your sternum closer towards you. We'll be moving through very deep hip openers, so choose for yourself always the variation that serves you best in your body. From a thread the needle position, you can go deeper into your hips by taking your right foot, drawing it into the inner crease of your left elbow, and wrapping your right elbow around your right knee, extending your left leg out. Keep drawing your leg closer towards your chest, breathing into the stretch for your hip. Keep the muscles of the face soft and relaxed. Any tension that you start to notice, use your exhale to release it. Now, with your right hand either at the edge of your foot or with your first two fingers wrapping around your big toe, draw your knee towards your nose. Now release. Bring your foot down, and now take your left ankle below your right knee, coming into a thread the needle position, or again, taking your foot to the inner crease of the opposite elbow and now extending your right leg out. Continue to draw your leg closer towards your chest. Keep breathing deeply into the stretch. The hips are where it's believed we hold emotion, unresolved emotion. So if anything should come up for you at any time, just allow for that release. With your hand at the edge of your foot, either remain there or bring your first two fingers around your big toe. Press your right hand down on your thigh. Continue to push out through your heel, bringing your nose towards your knee towards your nose, and then exhale, release. Bring both of your hands now behind your thighs. Rock yourself up for Navasana. Extend out through your fingers. Find that point on your tailbone where you feel stable. Keep pointing your toes. Stay with the breath, and then on your next exhale, slowly begin to come out of the pose. Guide now your weight forward, draw your left leg back, coming into pigeon. Press your right hand on your knee, draw your left arm up and cradle the back of your head. Lift up through your sternum, and if it feels available to you, bring now your right hand back behind you, coming into cow face pose arms. Continue to draw your heart upwards. And on your next breath, release your hands. Slowly start to guide yourself forward, folding at the hip crease, bringing your arms out in front of you. For a deeper stretch, walk your foot further forward away from your body so that your shin is parallel to the short edge of your mat. You can begin to fold in and bringing your hands into reverse prayer, allowing your thumbs to rest at the nape of your neck. Breathing here. Now slowly begin to make your way out. Shift your weight onto your right hip, and now bring your left ankle by your right knee. Take your right arm underneath your left for eagle arms in your double pigeon. Breathing here. Stay lifted up through the crown of your head. Let your shoulders relax down away from your ears and maintain length in your spine. Now release. Draw your legs out, coming into pigeon on the other side. Press your left hand against your left knee. Draw your right arm up. Cradle the back of your head and allow again your head to fall into your palm. Remaining here or coming into your cow face pose arms on this side. As you exhale, release. Begin to fold forward. Coming to the depth that's appropriate for you, or again, moving your foot up your mat. Bringing your hands into reverse prayer and breathing here. Allow your breath to be like water, smoothing out any edges in the body and the mind. Use now your inhale to bring yourself back up. Take now your right ankle by your left knee. Ensure that both of your shins are parallel to the short edge of your mat and coming into your eagle arms on this side. Now slowly bring yourself down onto your back. Walk your feet closer towards you, coming into wheel pose. Have your fingers pointing towards your heels, elbows pointing up, and guide yourself into your wheel. Now start to walk your feet slightly forward. Draw your heart back. Breathe here. Enjoy this beautiful deep back bend. And now begin to walk your feet towards you. Lift your heels, bring the crown of your head down onto the mat. Slowly bring your spine down. Draw your knees in towards your chest. Rock yourself up and come to a seated position. Namaste.